everybody, Bill with American Liberty Fighters here. So I had planned on doing a couple of different videos prior to doing this video. However, I didn't figure another video on illegal immigration, the 14th Amendment, birthright citizenship, or any of the other crap going on in the world and the country would really interest anybody that much, since there's so many of them out there already. If you want me to do one of those, you can let me know, leave a comment, and I'll do one. I had tried, and just so much information you've got to put out to make it all sound right and make sense that I couldn't get it done. So instead, I figured I would put some sweat equity into the rental property we're at and do some yard work. So I've worked on our gate to put some pavers in and fill in the gaps between the fence and the ground that is sunk in on our back fence line. So you get to see me sweat and work in the yard since it's so hot out here. Didn't get it all done today. However, I'll be back at it again. So, hope you enjoy. Alright, so the gate's done, or as much as I'm going to get today. Go ahead and begin on the back fence line area where I've put all the dirt. Alright, so that does it for today. I've hit that point of the day where it's really hot outside. I'm pretty much beat now. I'm going to go in and cool off and get something to eat. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.